Hey, so lately I've been really wanting to share my life, and I think it's interesting. Probably not as interesting as I think it is, but dad first and foremost, nurse, small farm, goats, chickens, dogs, lots of cats. Single and small scale farmer, like just over 5 acres and small garden. Let's see, six plots maybe. But yeah, I figured I'd share my experience, maybe come together, guys, and as a community, and we can share ideas. And I don't know, I like my life. I love my life. I'm blessed. God's been good to me, sometimes despite me. So I want to get my stuff out there and just collab with some people and do life together. So, all right.